chain 6, slip stitch and join to the first chain to form a ring. Now chain 3 counts as the first double crochet and place 13 double crochets into the chain 6 ring. Sorry. So place 13 DCs apart from the chain 3. So totally including chain 3 we'll have 14 DCs. Turn now. Chain 1, place 1 single crochet in the very first DC, 1 single crochet in the next, chain 5, 1 single crochet each on each of the next 2 DCs. So chain 5, 2 DCs, sorry, 2 SCs, repeat 6 times. So again chain 5, I'm making it one more time, 1 SC on top of the next DC and 1 SC on the following one. So we are placing single crochet in 2 DCs and these 2 sets of single crochets are separated by chain 5 spaces. So I placed my last SC on the third chain of the turning chain. Now turn your work, chain 6, slip stitch into the chain 5 loop, turn, chain 3 and place 13 double crochets into this chain 6 loop. Let us place 13 double crochets. So totally we should have 14 doubles including chain 3. After placing the 13 double crochets after chain 3, slip stitch to the first SC of the first crescent here, turn. Now place 1 single crochet before single crochet, chain 1 and place chain 1, place 1 single crochet each on each of the next 2, and we are going to make this chain 5 loops, 2 SC, chain 5, 2 SC all through the second crescent. Okay, so now chain 5, one single crochet, another, so 1 each on each of the next 2, again chain 5, 1 single crochet each on each of the next 2, continue till the end. So I have placed my last single crochet on the top of turning chain. Now turn, chain 6, this is the third crescent, so this is row 6 actually, and slip stitch to the chain 5, first chain 5 of the previous crescent here, turn, chain 3, place 13 double crochets in the chain 6 space. So complete your double crochets. I shall complete and get back. I have placed 13 doubles along with the first 3, so 14 doubles in this chain 6 now. Slip stitch to the first available chain 5 of the first crescent here and turn. Chain 1, 1 single crochet on the first DC, 1 single crochet on the second DC, chain 5, 1 single crochet each on each of the next 2, chain 5, 1 single crochet each on each of the next 2. Continue this same chain 5 loop and SC pattern on this third crescent. So I have completed row 7 here. Sorry, row 8. This is row 8 that we completed. SC and chain 5 loop is row 8 for this third crescent. Now slip stitch to the chain 5 space of the previous, the crescent that is available now, the chain 5. Turn. Again, chain 6, continue the pattern. Pattern repeats are rows 6, 7 and 8. Repeat the patterns or stitch instructions for row 6, row 7 and row 8 to extend this lace to the length desired.